and we're gonna be making our own coloring book. The wheels that you need, I should put them in this little box. You need a stapler. I just have a mini one. A eraser for any mistakes. A pencil. Some scissors. A highlighter. And 4 markers or more of your choice. My choice is a violet, a pink, a turquoise, and a orange. And that is what we need for the making your own coloring book. So, we have 2 pages for the letter B. So, right here, B for a bumblebee, B for a ball, B for a box, B for a butterfly, and B for a...
What?
This bug. Stink bug something. I don't remember. Oh, a beetle. It's kind of confusing looking from the printer. But, yeah. So first you're going to take your scissors. Make sure if you are small, have an adult help you. If you are young, but these are not safety scissors. I have safety scissors, but they are not in arm's reach right now. So these will have to do. Cut down the dotted line, and then cut right down the middle. You have a little chart follower on the page of where you need to cut. But yep. And then we have number 1, and then you want to find number 2. And then you want to find 3, and then you have the beginning. So here's one of the part of the book. Here is all of them, and then right here it says staple right there, and it says it on all of the lines. And you want to make sure you staple all of these together. If not, you will end up stapling some of them in a staple remover at the back. So if I do need to take it out, I can. I'm just gonna put it in, set it on the table, and use the force of my palm to staple the first staple together. Next one right here. You're gonna line it up, and press down with force, and then kind of uneven. That's okay. Last one, you will staple it down like that, and that's what it should look like. So now, what we're gonna do is color and name. So I'll see you in the next video.